What is up, Hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a length check after using rice water for 2 weeks. This is my 2 weeks length check. I'm going to see if I had some type of growth. I'm going to also be comparing my previous length check video with this length check video. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am going to be measuring my hair. Let's see if I got a little growth from this deep treatment that I did 2 weeks ago using rice water mixed with moringa. I do have a good amount left, and today is my wash day, so I decided I'm going to be doing a length check before I do my second deep treatment for the month. I'm only going to be using it twice a month, like I told you guys before. If you haven't seen my other rice water videos or any of my hairstyle videos, definitely go and check them out. I know if you love my rice water videos, you love all my other videos because your girl in them, you know, and I know you love me and I love you. Anyways, so yeah. So definitely go and check out my other videos, and let's do it. I'm going to be using my tape measure because I still have it there from the last week, the week before last, that I recorded a length check. So yeah, here we go. I tried to detangle my hair so that it's all the way stretched, but I don't know. Let's see. So the front is now what's that? Oh, the struggle. Okay, so the front is 16. Let's do the back. Okay. The back is 13. Yep, I believe that's 13 or 13 and a half. Let's see. Yeah, in some areas it's 14, but let's just go with 13 and a half, the back. And let's do, I think I did my sides, like above my ears. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, the sides is 15 and a half. Yeah, 15 and a half. But I'll just go with 15. Okay? Okay, let's do the other side. There we go. Let's run up. Okay, this side is 17. 17. Let's do above my ears. Oh, I should have detangled my hair. Oh my god, my hair is so tangled. Well, okay, we're just gonna go with 15 and a half. It could stretch all the way to 16, but that's just little tips. So let's say 15 and a half. It stretches to 16, as you can see, but you know, we'll do 15 and a half. 15 and a half, 16. is like, okay, this side for sure is probably 15, but I don't want to untangle it really good, but so I could feel like up here has some tangles in there. So it's not fully stretched. But for this video purpose, we'll just go with 14. But I could feel that this would actually stretch to 15, but it's not properly stretched. So let's see, yeah. Let's say 15. I mean, it stretches to 16 if you could see. It stretches to 16, but as you can see, all of it is not detangled fully and fully stretched. So let's say 15. 15! And that is it for my 2 weeks rice water length check. This is how my hair is looking. I'm about to wash my hair, so y'all know I'm about to put some jumbo twists in here and go outside and wash this hair of mine because it's itching. Yeah, it's just time to wash. So thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.